One solution of kx squared plus 3x minus k equals 0 is -2. Find the other solution. Let's take a look at the equation we're given. We have a k in it and we have an x in it. So we can't solve for one variable really because there are two of them. But we do know a value of x that makes this true. So if we substitute -2 for x, we would have k times -2 squared plus 3 times -2 minus k equals 0. And now we could solve this equation for k. We would have 4k minus 6 minus k equals 0. 4k minus k is 3k. 3k minus 6 equals 0. Adding 6 to both sides, 3k equals 6. And dividing both sides by 3, we have k equals 2. Now this is not the answer, but it is the value of k, so that now I can write my quadratic equation without a k. In other words, I can write it as 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation that we can factor and solve. This factors into 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 equals 0. Using the principle of zero products, we know that either 2x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Solving this, we have x equals 1/2 or x equals -2. Now let's look carefully at what we're asked to find. We're asked to find the other solution. We're given this solution, so the other solution would be 1/2. And we could just say the other solution is 1/2.